that, I just wrote it in my room one night. It was January 18th of 2009, and I never thought that, I would be a Christian recording artist or anything. I just wrote it and sang it, and my friend heard it and was like, "That's the best song you've ever written." I was like, "Really?" And next thing you know, I signed to a label and went to Nashville and made an album, and then the song came out, and it's amazing for me to hear the stories, how maybe it's encouraged or inspired someone, and it's just such a pleasure. And so I hope that, that as songwriters, we all want to write songs that you can relate to, and so I hope that for you, this is one that you can relate to and understand that the beauty of God is unmatched, and He's so creative, and I love it. And
I love it too.
This one's called Starry Night.
Woo! Woo! My favorite.
For the birds that sing in the tallest trees, to the human life of you and me, from the desert's end to the place we stand, He is God of all, He is everything. Oh, I'm giving my life to the only one who makes the moon reflect the sun. Every starry night, that was His design. I'm giving my life to the only Son who was and is and yet to come. Let the praises ring, 'cause He is everything. He is everything. Oh. From the autumn leaves that will ride the breeze, to the faith it takes to pray and see, from the painted sky to my plate-filled eye, He is God of all, He is everything. I'm giving my life to the only one who makes the moon reflect the sun. Every starry night, that was His design. I'm giving my life to the only Son who was and is and yet to come. Let the praises ring, 'cause He is everything. He is everything. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I believe. Oh, hallelujah. Hallelujah. I believe. I still believe. Hey, I believe, and I still believe in you. And even when the whole world's got me down, and even when it's all good, that's why I'm giving my life to the only one who makes the moon reflect the sun. On that starry night, He changed my life, and I'm giving it all to the only Son who gave me hope
When I had none.
Woo!
Woo!
Let the praises ring. Oh, let the praises ring. I'm giving my life to the only one every